Good morning, everyone. My name is Oniechi, and I'm the product manager for Smart Stock. Today, I'll be taking you through why Smart Stock is the solution businesses have been waiting for. Picture Tola, a business owner who is always on the move, trying to keep track of inventory while handling other tasks from tracking inventory to placing orders to ensuring everything runs smoothly in her store. Her biggest challenge, managing her inventory efficiently, especially when she's not at her desk. She needs a tool that's not just powerful, but easy to use and accessible from anywhere. This is where Smart Store comes in. Our solution is very simple yet powerful, and it offers business owners like her an intuitive tool for inventory management that's accessible from anywhere. From real-time tracking to automated alerts to even an AI-driven demand forecast predictions, Smart Stock has been created to take the guesswork out of inventory management to keep businesses running smoothly and efficiently, all from a phone or tablet. Now let's talk about the problem that we're solving. Inventory management is one of the biggest challenges that businesses face today, especially small to medium-sized businesses. Um, Inventory management is quite a complex process that involves a lot of things like tracking the stock levels, managing reorders, and ensuring that goods are supplied in time and your store is always stocked up. So this complexity usually leads to a lot of inefficiencies, especially if your inventory management method isn't efficient or is outdated. So this is why we believe Smart Stock is a solution to these challenges, because we've designed a product that addresses every aspect of inventory management. So it basically simplifies inventory management tasks and allows the business to instead focus on their growth. So basically, in our words, we would say Smart Stock is built to support business growth, is designed for optimal inventory efficiency. Oh, sorry, the fire alarm went off. And is suited to meet the ever-changing demands of businesses. So we understand that businesses need to evolve. So we built a platform that evolves with them, providing them with the flexibility to scale when they need to. Ola, can you take over because the fire alarm is, or our designer is here
We
speaking?
actually can't hear any fire alarm. If you can continue, just want to let you know we cannot hear it.
Okay, because fire alarm just went off. Okay, so I'm going to take you through a quick demo of how to use Smart Stock. So first, you can start off by selecting the pricing model that works with your daily operations of your store and your budget, and you can sign up. And then when you do that, it takes you to our dashboard. Then after that, when you signed up, you can then customize the platform to suit your needs. You can set up your reorder thresholds, and you can label your products in a way that is easy to understand and easy to manage for you. And then after that, using our analyze features, you can look through our charts and the data we have provided on the platform to help you make good decisions, business-driven decisions for your business. For example, on our dashboard, we have a chart that will show you the sales of the top selling products you currently have compared to their inventory levels. So you can know when a product is really doing well, but your current stock levels don't match the demand you have for that product currently. And then if you have our premium plan, you can also explore our AI solution. So we have a feature that focuses on demand forecasting, so you can plan your inventory well ahead of time. So it would show you the predicted sales for certain products, and then you can then plan your inventory to meet those needs way ahead of time. So before I hand over to all our business analysts to go through the financials, I want to touch on why this product is needed now more than ever. So we know that the data-driven decision making is something that's becoming more and more important, even with AI becoming a big thing as well. And we also believe that the ethnic grocery store niche is a very, would I say, uncatered to niche, because from the conversations we had with a lot of store managers and store owners, they let us know that a lot of them still use pen and papers for their inventory management processes. So they will use a pen and paper and they will go around the store and see what's still available and what isn't. And then that's how they keep up with their inventory. And that's obviously very outdated and very inefficient. And I can understand that from human error, they will probably make mistakes that would affect their stock levels and their inventory and their revenue in the long run. So this is why we believe that this is the best time for a product like Smart Stock, and this niche, ethnic grocery stores, is the best niche to start Smart Stock with. And I will now hand over to our BA Ola to take us through the financials.
All right, thank you so much, Onye. So looking on the business side of things, considering our market sizing, right now the ethnic grocery market is booming, with stores popping up left and right within the North American space. So we're projecting that our total available market is about 150 million. And the serviceable available market, which focuses more on the people who are ready for that digital transformation, would come up to about 90 million worth of revenue. And for the first 5 years that we plan to, launch our product, our serviceable obtainable market will be about 2 to 5% of the SAM, which comes to about $2.2 million worth of revenue. And that just goes to show, the potential to earn within this niche market. And then moving on to our competition. So Smart Stock is facing, or will be facing, a lot of competition, because this is a very highly competitive market at the moment, with players in the game like Zoho Inventory, we have Subtly, we have Square, Lightspeed. And so what makes us stand out in this market is the fact that we're specialized for these ethnic grocery stores, which are very, very outdated in their methods. And also, we have the AI demand forecasting feature, which is something that has not been launched by any of our competitors in the market at the moment. So that makes us, that brings us to the forefront of the market. And also, with our seamless integration with POS systems, we're able to provide automated alerts for low stock and expired products, making our product, a very comprehensive solution for ethnic grocery stores around North America. And we were able to come up with a business model that's a tiered pricing system that caters to different sizes of businesses. So, for instance, our basic plan caters more to the smaller sized stores that just have limited or very basic need of inventory management. So they have limited access to those features that we're offering. And for the standard plan at $129, the more advanced or the small to the medium-sized stores can have access to the advanced features, both from the basic plan and some additional features, including full access to the mobile app, as well as more room for supplier management. And then our premium plan is a combination of the standard plan with additional features like the AI driven demand forecasting, a customizable dashboard, and order review automation with premium support for our clients. And we are
offering 30 seconds left.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so we have 30-day free trial that would help make this a good experience for our clients. And we're projecting that we're going to be able to make a total of 1.8 million in revenue over the course of 5 years, with a total cost of $750,000, and we're hoping to break even within the second year of launching our product, which comes up to a pay period of about 18 months roughly. And our go-to-market strategy is to start off by launching our MVP to get some feedback from hand-picked ethnic grocery stores that would help us refine our product even more. And then the beta testing stage, where more of these stores try out our product.
Give it 10 more seconds.
More feedback, and then we'll launch in February. And so this is our product team that has, worked tirelessly to ensure that we get to this stage in developing our product.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause to Smart Stock. Let's give a round of applause to the team. Let them know how you felt about their work in the chat. If you're a small business and you have inventory challenges, you can share those challenges, for example. All right. I'm gonna kick off feedback with Dakwa, and then we'll go to Eiley, and then we'll go to Ali. So Dakwa, go ahead.
All right. Thank you for your presentation. So really love how it looks. I think for me, I know you say the angle that you want to position the product is for the ethnic market. But I can't really see from the product, I guess where you're specifying to that particular market. So what I would like to suggest is maybe something like the suppliers, like connecting them to that ecosystem of suppliers, because I think that's the only place where we can really specify to a particular kind of market. So that would be my suggestion.
Yes,
All right.
so something we did think about, like you saw in our pricing or our business model, the supplier management is something they're also working on to ensure that we have, access or like automated access to the suppliers. So when they're low on stock, they're able to reach out to the suppliers immediately to have it booked, to have those orders or products refilled. By with our order automation process. Yeah.
All right, fantastic. Let's go to Eiley Hickson.
Great job, team. I definitely think that this is another huge untapped market that needs to be solved for sure. I think when it comes to small business, something to think about when you're looking at user adoption, right? A lot more traditional business owners are in the Gen X and baby boomer generations that are running shops, and they don't all have digital savvy children to help them adopt technology solutions. So I think that with the right, change management and hand-holding, there definitely is a value proposition for the older generations to adopt this, because I am 100% sure that the paper and pen method even frustrates them, but they don't know what the solution is. I think the one thing you'll have to consider in your value proposition is just thinking about how much time it's going to take for me to truly yield the benefit of your product, because your product relies on a lot of data input. And if that time that it takes to put in all the data to get the value versus the time it takes for me to do the paper pen, if the digital solution takes more time because we're asking for more data, yes, the insights and benefits are there, but they're going to look at time as a value proposition before they look at data value as the second value proposition. So just take that into consideration when you're thinking about adoption. But I don't have any questions. I think it's a great idea. Thank you.